Yo, what is up? What is up? What is up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another video. Time check, 10:01. Another night ride sa gabi. Thursday night ride. Nagkayaan again kasi may bagong helmet setup si Pogi. So, I think may bago siyang helmet. So, gustong testingin. Eh di ride na, di ba? Walang ilaw si Kuya. Kuya, wala ka pong ilaw, Kuya. So, makikita-kita tayo dito kay Mr. Sarap Vlogs. Tapos, ano nga to, Operation Kidnap kay Mr. Sarap. Walang ilaw si Kuya. Kuya, wala kang ilaw. Yo. Patay ang ilaw ni Kuya. Bala ka. Sinabihan na kita. So yun, Operation Kidnap nga daw kay Mr. Sarap. Mainit pa rin. Yung mga misis namin nagtataka bakit daw kami umaalis, alas 10 na. Eh, napakainit kaya. Gabi talaga ang ride. So, uy, I think pupunta si Mr. Sarap, ay si Kuya Jody, Mike Bomakin, Pogi magkasama na. Pero dito kami mag-meet. Kung saan ang ride, hindi pa namin alam. Kuya JR din papunta na rin. So, kita kasi doon kay Mr. Sarap Vlogs. Let's go, guys. Who's here?
I got you.
You see it?
Pogi. That's Pogi.
Bomac, you hear me?
Not yet.
Nope.
They're still looking. Kuya JR still searching.
What's that?
There you go.
I got a what's up?
I think your antenna is still in the Philippines.
How many tonight? Six Vespas tonight? Let's go.
You connected, bro?
I'm here.
It's only
What
Kuya.
about Pogi?
Oh, he's here.
Yeah?
Only Kuya JR.
Not sure here. I think he needs to turn it off and turn it back on again.
Doesn't want to start again? There you go. Damn. Fuck. Good evening, neighbors.
Good, Jolie here?
Yeah.
Midnight Vespas. Let's go. You guys pick left or right, whatever.
Oh, you take the lead. We're following you.
No, you guys go ahead. I'll stay in the back.
I don't know where to go.
Wherever. Pogi, where you wanna go?
Okay, I go downtown. Which way?
Make a right. And then make a right on North 5th. Not this light, the next stoplight.
You picked the wrong person to lead because I can't see shit.
Damn, Bieber hits the VTEC.
Somebody go in front of me because I can't see. Okay, JR, you take the lead, boss.
I take the lead.
Yeah,
Yes.
I don't know where to go.
let's just make a right on North 5th. It's gonna take us all the way to downtown.
Oh.
Yeah. It's good. We're good. Time check, it's 10:34. This is the time to ride. The Uber just keeps papping and banging.
I'm tuned, man. I'm tuned. E85.
And I'm gonna say something mean, but too bad your Type R can't do it.
Oh! Ubers are out tonight.
Marus, oh, Marus. Marus top 1.
Nice Maru seats. There's a dip there, okay? There's a dip there. Careful. There you go.
Thank you. Thank you for the heads up.
Got you, man. I have 6 Vespas. This is rare.
No.
This is rare.
Normally 4 is maxed out.
Yeah.
Oh man, are you backfiring? Hell yeah, bro.
Hella backfiring.
Right there. I'm farting. Folks. Yeah. What happened to the hair on your legs? You got none? I don't got none. That's what happened when you have breed.
Yeah, let's go.
Half German, half Shepherd. Half German, half Shepherd.
Half bulldog, half shih tzu. Bullshit.
Which is so bullshit. What's today? Thursday, huh?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Downtown gotta be quiet.
I hope so. So
This
it's
is
not
the
traffic.
This is the payment for the missed ride tomorrow.
Yeah.
That's right.
We'll do the fireworks next week.
Congrats on your new camera, folks.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
DJI, right?
Yeah, brother. We almost threw it away last night.
Damn, it's fireballing, man. Do it again.
Yep.
There you go.
Oh, let's call it firecracker.
Yeah,
It's now fireballing.
firecrackers.
And welcome to downtown Las Vegas.
Yeah, there you go.
I don't need to say things anymore, man.
There you go.
It's gonna be the super DJ.
There you go.
Okay, clear.
Clear.
Disco Pussy. Damn, this is the first time I see that. Disco Pussy. What do they have there? Do they have disco and pussy there or what? Left, okay.
All freaking tweakers here.
That's all day. Oh shit.
All good then.
Hold on, I'll follow you guys. Something fell.
What happened?
My cover fell. I got it.
What color?
No worries, I got it.
Go ahead, I'll wait for him.
Okay.
Are we good? I hit the bump, it's like, what the heck?
I gotta be careful on where I look. Oh, this is one way. I just realized when I edit this shit, she'd be like, where you looking? Where you looking? You guys wanna go to the art district area?
Yeah,
Maybe we get lucky there.
let's go.
Oh yeah, that's a stupid motherfucker. Yeah, you ain't right.
Let's go. Let's make a U-turn. Fuck him up. I forgot I'm 31 years old. Oh, what is this? One way?
It might be.
Oh, look.
Oh, scooter.
It's not one way. Yeah, boy, we got a friend. We got a friend in here. He has a pebble. He doesn't know where to go.
What is it? What did Bogey say? Bebot. Hey! Carson's next. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead, Kuya.
Tamales. To make a left where? Isn't it? There's one restaurant on this side.
Okay, we go left. Casino.
In the center.
Because I think Main Street is one way.
Yeah, Main is one way.
Yeah, make a left
This
there.
one.
Casino Center.
Yeah, make a left there. Because Main is one way.
We make a left here.
Yes.
Because Main is one way.
One. There we go. Okay, what can we find here?
I think you have to go Main Street, so go all the way down, go back to Main.
Okay, let's go like 2 blocks away, okay?
Yeah.
And we make a... Oh, see? I told you Main Street is one way. Okay, is there a coffee shop? That's the question. Damn, it sucks here. What the fuck? This is Vegas, right? What's up? Let's go, Boogie! Where's your 300 at, motherfucker? Let's go! Oh, there it is.
What?
What's the best road to take to go to Spring Mountain?
Make a left. We'll take our route to work.
Okay.
That's a popo in the back. Okay, we got a popo in the back. Popo in the back, popo in the back. Yeah. Motherfucker. Alright, he's going left. Keep going. We're good. We're good. We're good. Let's go, folks. Vespa's mobbing the streets. Let's go. But before we go Madhouse, we go gas station first.
Okay, ikaw na lead Mac from this point. Check ano ng tire pressure kung lumalambot pa ba yan?
Hindi pa pala. Hindi pa ulit.
That's Big Monkey.
Knee drag.
Watch out, there's a car. Watch out.
Oh shit,
Watch
shit.
out.
Watch out. You can't park there.
That big bike back there was like, ooh, let me join that scooter gang gang.
Scooter gang gang.
Wow.
Oh. Okay, Jody, we're gonna make a right.
Oh, we got a friend here again.
Oh, that's Arlie.
Oh, they're
Arlie.
It's Arlie.
Walang Arlie. That's Arlie. What you looking at, motherfucker?
See, they were like, hell yeah.
Those papers.
That's a nice bike, man. At least I beat Erica on the next light. Okay, let's do it again. Let's do it again.
Oh shit.
Let's do it again.
Papa on left.
It's okay. It's only take off.
Oh shit.
Let's go!
Funny, man. That was stupid, bro.
Only up to like 20 feet. I'm gonna do a flyby. Watch.
Okay, that's the chevron.
Yeah.
You guys are like, man, these fucking ants.
Bye. Bye. He's probably thinking, what kind of scooters are those, man?
That was fun.
Chet, I can't breathe.
That was fun. But we're fucking assholes. Took the whole spot.
There's plenty of other parking spots.
Alright, we go Madhouse.
Madhouse City.
Madhouse City. This is the only one that opens late. Mr. Sharap! We're back on the west side.
Back. It's cooler. I can already feel that we're on the west side.
It's so much cooler.
Oh. Yeah.
Okay, we're not gonna go downtown again, okay, until next Friday, alright? It's water. We used to. This is where we used to park.
Big Mac gangster.
This is where. What up, boys?
What up?
Hola! Kumusta?
Mga init na init, guys. So, nandito tayo ulit sa Madhouse. Yung kape nung isang gabi. Pero ngayon, ako tubig na ako. Ang init, grabe. Umikot kami ng downtown. Pero mainit kaya umakyat ulit kami ng west side. Sarap.
Refreshing.
Refreshing. Ano yan? Ano yan? Ano yun mo?
Citrus,
mango.
mango green tea.
Citrus, mango, green tea. So ito tayo, 6 bikes tayo tonight. Mr. Sarap, nakalabas oh. Lumabas siya tonight guys! Kailangan pa ito, kinikidnap.
Wala yung bantay. Wala yung bantay.
Walang bantay tonight.
Pauwi pa lang.
Eh, sabi niya, let's go, let's go! Gano'n ba ka-effective tong ano? Ilaw ni Mr. Sarap. Tingnan niya natin. Ang dilim, di ba? Tama to? Putang ina. What's up? Kaya silaw ka dito, Brad. Uy, ito yun. Parang kinukuha dito. Silaw. Nilalamig siya.
Ay, bakit? Naninigas?
Kala ko masaber. Alright, Cinderella time. We go home.
See you guys when?
Maybe Saturday, yeah. I can bring the oil to Bomax on Saturday. You guys can do the oil change over there.
Good night.
Good night, Pogi.
Later, Pogi. Thank you.
Later. Thank you.
Later, Pogs.
Thanks, folks.
Bye, folks.
Congratulations on your new vlogging setup, Pimpin.
Yee!
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, just gotta learn how to talk more.
Wala na. Nag-outro na si Pogi. Nag-outro na si Pogi.
Damn, I'm the only one that doesn't have the yellow light yet.
You didn't bring it to Kuya Jody, man. It would have been done. Maybe 2 weeks ago.
At the right daytime.
No, you just have to take it on the night time and leave it there.
Yeah, probably do that.
My wife asked me earlier, where you guys gonna ride? You know us, we don't know.
It's whatever. It's the Operation Kidnap Niño is the main objective.
Yeah.
Yes. Everybody went there.
I think.
Hey, are you forgetting those are my tires?
Oh yeah, that's right. I'm trying to break them in. Hey, Glenn, why are you so quiet? You're thinking about your Vespa? No, I'm sleeping.
Sleeping while riding.
Hey, I'm trying to think what to order for my student. Because she's going to here today. Oh, in the Philippines? Yeah. Damn, look at that 300 go.
It's gone.
On.
Just one more air.
Oh shit, another 300.
Another.
Later, Bomax.
Okay, ride safe. I'll text you guys later.
Yes, sir. Now the on-road boys with Kuya Jody. Later, Kuya Jody.
Alright, I'll see you guys later.
Alright, see you.
Bye, Kuya. Text when you get home.
Bye.
Alright, on-road boys, let's go.
On-road boys, it is. Bakit on-road boys? Kasi lahat kami nakatira sa on-road.
On-road.
Pwede tayo mag-Tagalog.
Cross street.
Pwede tayo mag-Tagalog, guys. Pwede na. Operation Mr. Sarap Kidnap. Kidnap Mr. Sarap. Success. Success, guys. Mike Bomac and Edwin Pogi are home.
Batas kayo, ma'am.
Saan? Dito pa ako.
Ba't na? Ah, meron pa.
Buhay pa.
Lumalaban pa.
Lumalaban pa, Brad. Let's go. Alright. Bye-bye, Kuya.
Bye.
Ingat. Ride safe. Alright, guys. Nakauwi na tayo. Or I should say, malapit na tayo. Alright, success ang success ang ating Operation Kidnap kay Mr. Sarap Vlogs. Na-kidnap natin siya, nakapag-ride. And kanina talaga wala kaming destination kung saan kami pupunta. Umikot lang kami downtown, dapat magkakape doon. Sarado na yung mga kapihan sa downtown. Kaya sabi namin, tara, ano na lang, akit na lang tayo ng Madhouse. So, sa Madhouse kami natapos ng ride. Tumambay lang doon sandali. Medyo mas masarap talaga mag-ride sa west side west side ng Las Vegas kasi mas mataas siya, so mas malamig. Ramdam mo agad yung difference ng init. Overall, it's a good ride, guys. So I'll just end the vlog here. Maraming salamat ulit sa mga ating subscribers sa panonood. Sa mga new subscribers, welcome to our channel. Sa mga dating subscribers, maraming salamat sa pagtambay ninyo. Pasyalan nyo lang yung mga playlist natin dyan. Like nyo yung video. Alright guys, until the next one, ingat kayo dyan and enjoy. Let's go.